Welcome back to the henna, guys. Now, I know a lot of you have questions of how much henna to use and, for the length of your hair. Now, there is a guide on the back of your henna package, how much henna you need to use, as well on the application instruction sheets you receive with your henna color package on this. But today I want to show you how much powder it does look like and how much you need and how much the amount will look after you mix according to the length of your hair. So we have 4 measurements here to show you. The first one right here is 1/3 of the package. Now keep in mind, these are not exact to the T. I didn't take a measuring cup. This is just approximate. So if you feel like you need more, by all means use more, but this is just 1/3 of the package. This is for short hair, and after you mix it, this is how it's going to look like. So the powder form right here does look less, but when it becomes liquid, it becomes more. So right now, because we had mixed it and it's been sitting for a little while, it is a little bit thicker, on the thicker side. So I would recommend adding a little bit more water to it, because it does settle and becomes a little bit thick and if you add just water to it, you'll be fine. This will be perfect for short hair. Our second measurement over here is 2/3 of the pack. Again, I did not take a measuring cup to do it. I just approximately just made, just look at the package and made guess. So that's that. And then when you mix it, this is how much the paste becomes. Again, this is on the thicker side, only because it's been sitting here for a minute, I think for a couple of hours now. So you add a little bit more water and it will give you enough to give you coverage. The third right here is for mid-back length, and it is a full package over here. So if you have mid-back length or even a little bit shorter, but you have thicker hair, this will be perfect. Or also perfect for longer hair, but if you have thinner, on the thinner side. So if you have thin hair but your hair is long, 1 pack will be fine. Again, you can see after the mixture how it's more. I would add a little bit more water to it. Again, it's been sitting there, so that's how the mixture will turn out. It will always look more than the powder you get, so don't be worried like if it's going to be less. It will pretty much be more than what you really need for your mixture. The last one here is for our hip length. So if you have hip length hair, and it's on especially a little bit thicker, 1.5 package. So you would need to get 2 packages and use 1.5, so half of the other package. Of course, after mixing it, this is how it looks like. There should be a little bit more, because I add a little bit less water just to show you how much the difference is. So adding a little bit more water will give you a little bit more. Again, this has been sitting for a couple of hours as well. So I will go ahead and show you the hair lengths, and you can get an idea if your hair is that long and that fullness or thin, and how much these powders and the liquids that I've showed you here is good for your hair. Okay, so here is Sandra's hair. It's a little bit, what I want to show if you have short hair, let's say up to here, 1/3 of the package would be good, but she'll probably just need a little bit more. Allie's hair, so it is longer than Sandra's. So this definitely, she would need 2/3 of the pack to complete to dye her hair. Here we have Deja's hair. So you can see right here, hers is about mid-back. For mid-back, you would need the full pack, but I would say her hair is a little bit thicker and a little bit longer than mid-back, about this much longer. So she would have needed 2 packs, but only used a little less than half of the other pack. So 1/4 of 1 pack and 1/4 of the other pack to complete her hair dye. So here we have Jade's hair. So you can see her hair is pretty long. It's longer than Deja's in length. But since her hair is on the thinner side, we only use 1 full package. Now, if her hair was thicker, we'd definitely need to use 1.5 package according to her hair length. So as I just showed you, Sandra's hair, this is how much she would need. The amount of 1/3. A little bit more you can say. Now again, this is a little bit thicker. This would be perfect for her hair. So as you've seen Allie's hair, 2/3 of the package would be perfect for her. And as you've seen Deja's hair, 1 pack would be perfect, but because her hair is fuller, I think, and especially if it's the first time you're going to do it, 1.5 pack will be good. And I did say like a little bit less than a half pack you would need, so 1 1/4 would be ideal for Deja's hair. For Jade's hair, if her hair was on the thicker side, then I recommend 1.5 pack. So then this would be perfect for her hair to give her full coverage. But since her hair is on the thinner side, and even though it's hip long length, the 1 package will be perfect for her. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please leave any comments down below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.